Hi everyone, Rebecca here, and today I'm doing a review on this silicone dish drying mat. This was gifted to me in exchange for my review. Now this mat is a medium size. It measures 16 inches by almost 13 inches, and it does have a lip right there where it just will drain right off perfectly into your sink. It also has a edge right there, and that's about 1.5 inches, and it does drain so well. You can see right on the back that it does kind of have a grade on there, so it will drain completely off of the mat. Now you can use this mat multiple ways. I'm using it right here to rinse and dry my fruit and vegetables off for my dinner. Or you can also use it for a dish drying mat. Now this mat was very durable. It was very bendable. I feel like it could be used for many years to come. It also was easy to wash if I needed to. I could throw it right in the dishwasher. You can see how well it does drain with that raised edge design. But all in all, if you're looking for a great mat for your kitchen, this is the one for you.